Welcome to Kamona Therapy, Rituals to Process Life. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina. I am a light worker and integrative healing coach. And this week, I had to share how to reclaim your soul fragments. I'm going to be referring to my notes, so you're going to see me looking down. I don't want to lose you, so I want to let you know that I'm not spacing out. I'm actually wanting to make sure that you get all the information because this is something that is definitely very important and an incredible, powerful practice that you can do as a light worker. So not long ago, I realized that I had been giving away pieces of myself for years through relationships, through caregiving, and simply being just someone who feels really deeply. And I began to notice that after being around certain people and certain experiences, I didn't feel like myself anymore. Maybe you can relate to this. I'm pretty sure you can relate to this if you're a light worker, an empath, and a highly sensitive person. So through my healing journey, I discovered that I was experiencing what many call soul loss. I didn't actually think it was a thing, but it is a thing. And when I incorporated this practice into my life, wow, game changer. So an energetic fragmentation ends up happening when parts of our vital energy separate either during trauma, overwhelm, or deep stress. Okay. And the most profound part, though, is that we actually get to call back those parts of our soul. We actually get to call back those lost fragmented pieces. I've done it. And the difference, it felt like I was actually returning home. It was an absolutely amazing experience. So, just some facts for you, okay? So from a psychological perspective, what many spiritual traditions call soul fragmentation can be understood as the disconnection of a part of the self due to trauma or emotional overwhelm. And there was actually a gentleman named Dr. Richard Schwartz. He was the founder of the IFS, which is the Internal Family System Therapy. And he describes this as part of ourselves becoming exiled. When I read that, I was like, whoa, okay, this is real. And when they hold too much pain, there's a protective mechanism in our psyche. And soul reclamation parallels the integration of these parts, bringing them back into harmony. All right. From a neuroscientific standpoint, trust me, I have a skeptic within me. I have to do research to believe these things are true and then do the practice. And if it works, I know that it's made a difference for me, and I share this in a social media platform. So neuroscience shows that during trauma, the hippocampus, which is the memory center, and I know I'm going to pronounce this wrong, the amygdala, our emotional center, can become dysregulated, causing fragmented memories and sensations. So when we reprocess these experiences through mindfulness, visualization, and compassionate self-connection, the prefrontal cortex helps reintegrate them and restoring coherence to our sense of self. There is a book out there called The Body Keeps the Score. I have another one, The Body Speaks the Mind. And that book, The Body Keeps the Score, is written by Vander Kolk, K-O-L-K. Now, again, another part, again, research, right, to solidify that this actually does work. The HeartMath Institute shows that the human hearts emit an electromagnetic field measurable up to several feet away. I had shared this in a previous video. I think it was the last one before this one. And emotional states influence this field. So when we focus on love, gratitude, and self-acceptance, we literally shift our energetic resonance, slowing scattered energy to harmonize and return. So, in essence, soul reclamation isn't just this mystical spiritual thing. It's an energetic and neurological integration. And the reuniting of scattered emotional, mental, and spiritual fragments create a coherent whole. So, what I want you to do right now is find a comfortable position. And I want you to close your eyes. You're going to take a deep breath in. And you're going to exhale. And another deep breath in. And exhale. And another deep breath in. And exhale. Feel your feet grounding into the earth, your connection to stability and strength. Visualize those tree roots coming at the bottom of your feet and going down into the core of the earth. And now imagine a gentle golden light forming in your heart space. I say this in every meditation that I do. If you have a difficult time visualizing, that's okay. Your intention is to reclaim lost soul parts of yourself. So imagine that golden light forming in your heart space. And you're going to say this out loud or silently. I call back all parts of myself from people, places, and times that I have given away through love, fear, and pain. I welcome them home in peace, love, and light. I am whole. I am complete. I am free. We're going to say it again 3 times. I call back all parts of myself from people, places, and times that I have given away through love, fear, or pain. I welcome them home in love, peace, and light. I am whole. I am complete. I am free. I call back all parts of myself from people, places, and times that I have given away through love, fear, and pain. I welcome them home in peace, love, and light. I am whole. I am complete. I am free. And as you do, visualize threads of golden light, like beams of energy, returning to your heart from all directions. Just take note of what's coming back. See these golden threads, these lost parts of you, returning back and merging into your chest, forming a radiant light. And whisper, thank you. I am home within myself. Breathe deeply and rest in that wholeness for a few moments. Now that you've reclaimed a part of yourself, take a moment to write in the comments, today I call back my power. And when you're ready, open your eyes. If this ritual resonated with you, I highly recommend that you do it at least once a week. And like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button so you continually receive these messages in your inbox on a weekly basis. It's time to call your power home. All right. Have a blessed rest of the week. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below that you're a light worker. Again, message, I call back my power. And I will see you next week with another Kamona Therapy Ritual to Process Life. Take care. Namaste. Much love. Bye for now.